Hi guys, it's Mike from Grono, and today I want to talk about one of the common questions that we get asked in the office, and that is, how do I work out how many boards I need for my deck? So the first thing you need to think about is the square meterage of your deck. That's really easy to work out. So if you have a deck that's 4 meters long by 3 meters wide, you literally times those two numbers, so a 4 by 3 would give you 12 square meters. The next thing we need to look at is the size of the decking boards. So all our decking boards are 3.66 meters long and they're 136 meters wide. So there's two really simple ways of working out how many boards you'll need. One will give you a rough idea, and the second one is a much more accurate version. So the first way of working out how many decking boards you need is super simple. We work on the basis that you need 2 boards per square meter. So if we go back to the original decking that was 3 meters by 4 meters, so you've got 12 square meters, you then need 2 boards per square meter, so you would need approximately 24 boards for that size of deck. If you want to be a little bit more accurate with your measurements, again, we start off with the square meterage of your decking. So we've got a 3 by 4, which is 12 square meters. We then times that by 7. We then times that number by 1.1. Now we're timesing it by the 1.1 to give you a 10% tolerance for any cuts that you might have to do. If you want to give it a bigger tolerance, then you could do it by 1.2 or a 1.15. But generally speaking, 10% tolerance is more than enough. And then you divide that number by 3.66. And that will give you a much more accurate idea of how many boards you'll need for your deck. I hope that's been helpful for you. If you can't remember the formula, don't worry, it's just down there. And as always, if you have any questions, do email support@grono.co.uk or contact me on the number below. Thanks guys.